So the worst thing a leader does is terminate an employee. Because first of all, it's your responsibility. You hired the person, you brought them on, and to make it work, it starts with you. If you're in a position where you have to, and whether it's performance or marketplace, you have to let them know that you're having a meeting about job performance or state of the business. So at least they have a hint of it. They cannot have heard rumors about it. You want to go to the people that you're letting go first and tell them that this is happening before any announcement goes out to the rest of the company, so they know first. You let them know that you're very sorry. You have some bad news for them because of job performance or because of marketplace. Positions are being let go, and yours is one of them. This is what we're doing for it, and this is the compensation, and this is the coaching we can give you. The biggest recommendation there is you have to say it, you have to tell them how they're going to deal with it, and then how they're going to be supported. And you have to do it in as pithy and as thesis statement style as possible, because it's a shock. And never do it on Friday. Always do it in the middle of the week, so there is time to not be sitting at home getting weird about it, right? And I'm telling you, I do this all the time. Say it out loud 3 times before you say it to the person. And also, this isn't about you. Oh, I feel so bad that I have to do this. Yes, you do feel bad. But when you're doing it with that person, it's all about them and it's not about you.